Hello, this is Trent Knox. Um, I'm providing a tutorial for creating playlists and for sorting videos into the playlist on Facebook business pages for your editors and your admins. This is something that can speed up the process for a variety of different sharing, watch parties, and community based consumption or viewing. The first thing we're going to do is go to the page. Currently, the example that I'm using is my client Robert Gardner Wellness. We're going to go to the page. Then, with the current iteration of the Facebook algorithm, we will head to More. We'll go to Publishing Tools, and then we will open up the Creator Studio. And inside the Creator Studio, we will go to the left hand corner, um, and we will go to Playlists. Here we can see the current playlist that we have um, curated. We have our commercials, our long videos, short videos, the podcast, and event uh, playlist for Thai Massage Jam North Austin. In this particular video, I'm going to use long videos as a example. You will see on the right hand corner this dialog box will open up, and you will see in the upmost corner um, of the second dialog box, second from the header, is going to be the body of the playlist. And in the body, we're going to click Add Videos. In Add Videos, this particular playlist is going to be videos 30 minutes or longer. So what I will need the editor or the representative, the Facebook representative, to do is search through these videos, given that at this current iteration of Facebook, there's no sorting features for duration. And I will need them to go through all of these videos, scraping them for videos 30 minutes or longer. So as I scroll down, I can see which videos will be 30 minutes and longer. So I'm going to scroll down quickly. I have a very good um, I am pretty good at seeing the number of the length of the video where you can see my pointer is that indicates the duration of the video. So I'm watching as I scroll down here how long the videos are. And as you can see, I'm looking over to my right because I have dual monitors, and I'm watching what you can see. And I'm still scrolling, and then you can see which videos you can add to this based on to the right of this under post status. Videos that indicate that they're published can be placed inside of the playlist. So I'm gonna keep on scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. As you can see, we haven't yet seen a 30-minute or longer. Here's one right here. We're going to click this. This is 3 hours. It's actually a little bit longer than suspected, but we're going to click that. And the good thing about this is that we can continue to scroll down while that video is selected, and we can select additional videos that are 30 minutes and or longer. So here is one. It is the Thai Massage Jam. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click the RGW podcast, and I'm going to select all videos 30 minutes or longer and add them to the playlist long video clips. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down, selecting multiple videos at one time and putting them into the playlist. Here's another one. Scrolling down, I'm wanting to look as far as it'll possibly let me go and add those to the playlist. So keep on scrolling. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. You continue to scroll. Here's one. And I'm looking at this number again right here, 30 minutes or longer. Here's another. Keep on scrolling. Here's another one. And if I miss anything, that's what's going on. So now I'm gonna hit add videos, and those 15 videos, there seems to have been an issue on some of those videos, given that they may or may not have already been in the playlist. But we will sort those videos in newest to oldest, and then click save. And now we can scroll down and we can see if the videos did add. There are a few that did not add, as I can see by a quick scroll that some of them didn't add. So then the procedure will have to be repeated, and you will scroll down through the videos, searching for all videos that are 30 minutes or longer and adding them to the playlist. And thank you again for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at trent@trentknox.com, and I will do my best to get back to you and help you in your Facebook business page implementation. And thank you very much. Have a great day.